Let's be real, the hardest part of making dinner is usually just deciding what to eat and dealing with the grocery store. Both Factor and Blue Apron eliminate that headache, but that's where the similarities end. Factor deletes the kitchen entirely with fully prepared microwave-ready meals. Blue Apron still puts you at the stove, delivering the raw ingredients to cook a fresh meal from scratch. So we're going to deep dive into the pricing and menus to see which setup actually makes sense for you. Quick heads up, I put affiliate links in the description for everything that we are covering, and if you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. So let's kick it off with Factor. This service is basically built entirely around one single goal, making eating clean and as ridiculously easy as possible. So instead of a classic meal kit where you're still stuck doing all of the cooking, every single Factor meal shows up 100% prepared and ready to heat up. The whole concept is just getting all of the benefits of a dialed-in diet without blowing your night at the grocery store, meal prepping, or scrubbing pans. What really makes Factor different is how they pair up actual chefs with registered dietitians. The chefs are there to make sure the food actually tastes good, while the dietitians keep the macros completely locked in to hit your goals. And that is a win if you are tracking your calories, your protein, or your carbs. They have a lot of specific lanes that you can pick from, like Calorie Smart, Keto, Protein Plus, and Vegan, and Veggie. So whether you are cutting weight, packing on muscle, sticking to a strict diet, or just trying not to eat junk, they have plenty of fresh options dropping every single week. And honestly, the best part about Factor is just how easy the whole setup is. When you do sign up, you just lock in your diet lane and pick how many meals you need that week. After that, you get to scroll through a big rotating menu of chef-cooked dinners that actually hit your macros. You can even load up your box with extras like breakfast, smoothies, protein shakes, and quick snacks to cover the rest of your day. And when the box does hit your porch, everything inside is fresh. It's never frozen. They pack it all in these heavy-duty insulated coolers so it stays ice cold in transit. And once you stack the meals in your fridge, they stay good for about a week. Whenever you get hungry, you just literally grab a tray, pop it in the microwave for a few minutes, and you are eating. And that is the real magic here. Zero prep, zero cooking, and absolutely zero pans to scrub at the end of the night. It honestly feels like paying a personal chef to handle your weekly meal prep. Now, managing everything is very easy. If you do need to swap dishes, change your box size, skip a week, or just pause the whole subscription, you do it right from their app with no hassle. Now, beyond just being convenient, Factor actually goes out of its way to help you stay on track with your health. The biggest thing for me is the total transparency. And before you even lock in your box, you see the exact breakdown of every single meal, calories, protein, carbs, fats, and the full ingredient list. And if you're strict about your macros, this is big because it completely kills the guesswork of planning your week. They also totally kill it with their specialized menus. The high protein options are a great lifesaver if you are hitting the gym, and their keto menu actually gives you real variety instead of the same boring dishes. They even rolled out specific GLP-1 meals designed to pack a ton of essential nutrition into realistic portions if you are managing a smaller appetite. But the coolest perk, they actually give you free access to real registered dietitians. You can literally book a one-on-one call to talk through your fitness goals and get exact meal recommendations, which is a big bonus that you never really see in this space. Now, Blue Apron takes a completely different route. Instead of cutting the kitchen out entirely, they focus on making cooking at home just easier and a lot more fun. The concept is very simple. A lot of us actually like cooking, but we absolutely hate meal planning, grocery shopping, and buying random ingredients that we're only going to use once. So they just ship you exact portions of fresh ingredients along with simple step-by-step instructions to guide you right through the recipe. Plus, over the years, they've expanded way past those standard meal kits, offering different categories depending on exactly how much time you actually want to spend standing at the stove. And honestly, that flexibility is exactly why they still work for so many different people. And if you do want to give Blue Apron or Factor 75 a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel. Now, one of the biggest moves Blue Apron recently made is letting you order without locking you into a rigid recurring subscription. And that gives you so much more flexibility since you can just grab meals whenever you actually want them instead of feeling trapped on a weekly schedule. And their menu is packed with a big variety every week, and you can literally pick your meals based on exactly how much effort you feel like putting in. Their dish line is 100% fully prepared. You just heat it up and eat. Their assemble and bake meals take almost zero prep and go straight into the oven on a single pan. And of course, they still run those classic meal kits, which give you the raw ingredients and then step-by-step guides for a very true hands-on cooking vibe. And when your box does show up, every single ingredient is perfectly pre-measured for your specific recipe. And it just makes cooking a lot easier and completely kills the food waste and mental stress that usually comes with normal grocery shopping. Honestly, Blue Apron's biggest flex is just how adaptable they are. Since they offer different levels of prep, you're not forced into the exact same routine every night. If you've got a lazy Saturday and you want to actually enjoy cooking, grab a classic meal kit. But if it's a crazy Tuesday, one of their prepared heat and eat meals is probably the move. Another big win is that you actually become a better cook. Their recipes casually walk you through new techniques and flavor combos that you'd probably never try on your own, which naturally builds a ton of confidence in the kitchen. They also do not cut corners on the actual food. They are very transparent about their supply chain and work closely with specific farms to keep the ingredient quality consistently high. Plus, if you end up ordering a lot, grabbing their Blue Apron Plus membership completely wipes out shipping fees and throws in some solid extra perks, which helps bring the overall cost down. So when it does come to cost, both of these offer solid value. They just solve completely different problems. With Factor, you're paying for pure convenience. Their meals usually run between $12.50 and $15 each, plus around $13 for shipping. You're paying a slight premium, but you are buying back hours of your week since they handle 100% of the work. Blue Apron gives you a lot more flexibility depending on what you pick. Their traditional meal kits range from about $8 to $13 per serving, with their heat and eat dishes sitting right around $10 to $14. So instead of just comparing the raw price tag, you really have to weigh what you actually want out of it. And if saving time is your priority, Factor is hard to beat. But if you do still enjoy hanging out in the kitchen and you just want to skip the tedious grocery runs, Blue Apron is your best bet. They both do run promos for new signups, so I dropped those links below. And just a quick heads up, I do earn a small commission if you do use them, which really does help the channel out, and it doesn't add a single cent to your cost. Factor is built for anyone wanting absolute convenience without sacrificing their diet. If you're hitting the gym every day, playing a ton of softball, strictly tracking macros, or just genuinely hate cooking, Factor makes a lot of sense. It's a great fit if you need consistency, since all the nutritional info is laid out and the meals target specific goals. It just makes eating clean totally effortless. Blue Apron is the better move if you and your wife actually like hanging out in the kitchen and you want to stay hands-on with your dinner. It's a great setup for trying out new recipes and building meals from scratch without the miserable grocery runs. Plus, with the different meal formats that they do offer, it adapts perfectly to a busy schedule. You can take your time cooking a full kit when you do have a free night, or just grab a fast prep option whenever you get slammed. So while both of these absolutely crush it in their own lanes, they are clearly solving different problems. Blue Apron, it's great if you just want to make cooking at home easier and just more fun. You get that hands-on real kitchen experience with good ingredients plus total flexibility. But if I had to pick just one to recommend for the average person trying to just simplify their life and still eat very clean, I'm gonna go with Factor. It really just comes down to time. Factor completely deletes the biggest roadblock we all hit whenever you're trying to eat better. There are 0 recipes to follow, no chopping, and virtually no dishes to ever clean. You just heat it up and you eat it. Plus, whenever you stack up those dietitian designed menus, the clear macro tracking, and the free nutrition coaching, it's just a very well-rounded setup. So if you do want the absolute easiest, the most frictionless path to just hitting your nutritional goals, Factor is easily my top recommendation. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we've covered right below this video, and if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.